Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto, passo bem solto, passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana. Festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto, passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana, semana, pana, 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 pana. Na festa do fim de semana. Pana, 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 de semana. Pana, 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 de semana. Pana, 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 de semana.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new stream. Today we are gonna keep developing our farm builder. So last time we made a huge progress. It's really, the result is really good. I mean it's pretty decent, but we are making progress, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy to to achieve all the results, right? This is so good. I love my life. So what we are gonna do today? Hold on, let me just open Discord. Hold on, let me just wait. So let me just open Discord. I hope it won't lag, but I think it should be fine. Let's see. It's starting right now. Okay, you cannot see anything. Don't worry, I know that. I temporarily closed it. And why does it take so long to load? Why does it take so much? Like, what are you loading? Like, you have to load the conversations. Like, the Discord app is so unoptimized, right? Like, there is, I don't know, it's kind of weird how unoptimized it is. About 1 year ago, there was that 1.4 billion views trailer that got generated because of the fucking spaghetti code. And did it just freeze? What the fuck? Wait, what? Wait, there is no way. Hold on. Look at this. I'm gonna just Wait, look at this. It's just froze. What the hell? What are you doing? What are you doing? Um, Discord. What's wrong with you? Let me just end the task. I don't know, but it crashed. It freezed. Hold on. Let me try to restart it again. So I'm here. Let's load Discord. Is it loading? It's there is this text starting. Jesus fucking Christ, are you actually starting Discord or are you just yapping around? Like this is this is unbelievable. Why does Discord take so much? It's so weird. Oh my god. Look, I cannot. You cannot see it, but it's just a loop animation. I'm gonna try one last time, or I can just open it from my browser. So, yeah, Discord is fucking weird. Like, it's not that optimized. I don't know. I don't know. It's stuck. It's fucking stuck. Look, like you cannot see it, but wait. Let me just reopen this. It's stuck. Look, I cannot do anything. Like I can drag the window, but it doesn't start. It doesn't do anything. I don't know. Oh God, don't full screen this. I'm afraid that it will get stuck again. Look, I cannot do anything. Why are you doing this? Oh my God. I don't know. I don't know. Let me just try to log in from here. Like, I'm logged in, right? So if I do this, no. Also, let me just. I'm not. Wait, no. I have to log in again. Are you serious? Are you serious? Hold on, let me just. Oh god, this is fucking annoying because I wanna display my status that I'm streaming. So I kinda need to log in on Discord. But if this shit doesn't work, I cannot do anything. It's so slow. Oh wait, I think there is an issue. Like there is a problem with Discord because for, I had to log 1 hour ago. I logged on my phone and it took minutes to load the fucking IP validation page. Like to, well, I don't know if you like if you try to log in on Discord, it will always say new location detected. Please check your mail, and then it had to like it's it sends you a link where you click the link to to authorize the IP, but it takes so much time. I don't know why. Yeah, I probably know because they are experiencing like some issues. Like, look, it takes so long to load. This doesn't happen on YouTube. This doesn't happen on YouTube. Like, I can refresh the page. Look, see, it doesn't take that long. But for Discord, it's a whole different thing. Let's try to check. Is Discord like, I think there has to be an internal server issue, right? I don't know. It's not that great. Like, I don't know. Uh, yeah, for me, it's the same thing. I don't know how can I reply to this comment, but is Discord? Uh, what the hell? Is Discord refusing to open? Yes. The program runs, but all I get is gray screen. Not even starting my computer has fixed. Yeah, I have the same issue. Like, look, it takes so long to load. What the fuck is going on? Like, why is nobody else experiences this? Is it a Wait, hold on. Now it works. Is it the distributed server thing? What the hell is the name? Yeah, the CDN. Is it the CDN server? I don't know. Wait, no, 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 don't exit. Okay, let me log in real quick. So, okay, I logged in. So this is my server, and does it tell you that I'm streaming? Please do. Oh my god, it doesn't display the status. Ah, fuck you. Fuck you, Discord. Ah, Jesus. I can close it at this point, but yeah, there has to be some temporary technical issues, but okay, let's we how much time do we lose? Almost 15 minutes. Let's code right fucking now. So we have to implement the front end side of the rules, right? So if we go here, like, we have to save the rules, right? Also, we need to generate a JS code for it, right? So I would write a function. I wouldn't do a loop thing. I would create a function. Yep, because I think it's a more flexible way to do it. So what we need to do is actually so wait, event.js. So this will also include the rules, right? Yeah, we have to include the rules. Wait, where do we call this? Wait, is this? Wait, I included this somewhere, but probably on save eves. Yeah, I probably included it there. Yeah, we should create the same exact thing, but we should create a function here. Like we should create yeah, we should create a function, right? The, the name will probably wait. Let me just check this. Okay, so we need to um, we need to use the same name format. Is my mic on? Let me check something real quick. Yeah, okay, everything is fine. Okay, good. Okay, so we have what do we have? Where is it? So we have Gen.js code. This is too. This is this is too. How can I say it? Too generic, right? But um, wait. Hold on. This is the Gen.js. So we should create something here, right? Probably. Okay. So yeah. We probably should create something here. So we need to create to generate our our rule or rules here, right? So we have the Gen.js input, but we also have Gen.js rule input. Then we have the elements. Yeah, I agree. We should have the elements and the data, right? This is basically it. This is the code. Wait, what? What the fuck is the difference? Oh, okay. Yeah, I get it. And wait, hold on. Okay, so I just finished my Coke. Fuck that shit. We need more Coke. So we have this. The O stands for output or object. What the fuck? Wait. Alright, I'm stupid. I was holding Control instead of Shift. So that's why it didn't input the dollar sign. So input. Oh my god. So now we have another. We need another function. Hold on. Gen. This is the code and this is the expression. We have a function gen JS rules, right? So this will generate wait. Yeah, we should create the based on the data, on the input data. So we have data right here, and then we create. So we create some conditions here. So it should be, you know, it should be like that. Let me just do this here. So we add a new event listener for each input, for each rule. But we have to find a way, like we actually have to wrap these rules, right? Based on the input, right? Yeah, we should do that. We should probably do that. Like, wait, no. What am I doing? Actually, no. We should create a unique function for a single rule, like for the rules function. It's a single function that handles all the rules, and inside the inside the email listener we call this unique function, right? So okay, what we are going to do now, we have, so that's what we have check data store init submit. Probably in check we don't have anything. This is just an empty array. So we also have data. Our data, it just contains the field data. We have init, and then we have submit. Wait, on submit we have something, right? I kind of forgot what we did here. Wait. Wait. What the hell is this? I completely forgot everything. Like this, I created this this functions like 5 days ago, and I completely forgot everything. What the hell is this? So we have the submit. All right, the thing we okay. This actually calls the okay. Anyway, anyways, so we also have data, and I know what that is. Then we have that's data. Okay. Also, this is this is the check. So if this is undefined, I think the right function is check. Like we check the rules, we check everything, right? So we check the required fields, and then we check every single rule. Everything is performed inside this array of functions. So we have xgo forms check function. So we should put that here, right? It's wait. What is this? Okay. I think I put it somewhere here, but I don't remember where exactly. Wait. Where is it? I think it's right here, but I cannot see it. Like we have the events, then we have the we have an event list, and this is the submit. But where is the rest? Oh, it's right here. That no wait, that's the init. That's the data store. But where the fuck is the check? We can't. It's not there. Wait, what? Where does this? Wait, where does this come from? Let's try to wait. Check. It's not there. Where did I put that? Wait, hold on. Did I use this? That's the template. That's the template. The template. But it's not there. Wait, this is weird. That's weird. Where is it? If we get the HTML, it's not anywhere. Probably here. All right, it's right there. It's right here. Okay, we found it. So we need to generate we need to generate the JS. I mean the JavaScript code for the rules. Should we do this statically or dynamically? Actually, the rules can get complicated. Could be a little bit complicated. So, I think we should save it statically. Also, also to improve the user experience, because if we save it statically, that improves our loading time, and we want to offer the best experience for the user. So that's what we are gonna do. We should focus on the user experience. Remember this, because happy clients means money, right? Am I right? So let's go to our database, PHP by admin. Let's go on forms. We have this, right? Let's go on the SQL tab and let's alter the forms table. Let's alter the table forms. Let's add a new column, and the type will be probably medium. It's text, probably medium. Yep. The name will be rules.js, right? Let me just check what I call this eves.js, which stands for events JavaScript, right? And we follow the same naming convention for the rules, right? We call this rules.js, and do we need anything else? I think this is pretty much it. So should we just do this? Wait, what? Did it just... Alright, the name comes first. Kinda annoying. Like, usually programming languages don't usually have the type first. It's kinda annoying. But we did it. We created the rules_js. This is where we are gonna store the JavaScript generated content, right? So here we implement the check function, right? So in the rules, should we also put the we have to generate okay. Let's focus on the rules, because there is also the required field method, but this, I think I will generate this on the runtime, like on the front end side. I think that it will be better, actually. So why this gives us an error? Wait, what? Where is the error? All right, we have. Let's remove this because we defined the function. Where is it? Hold on. I lost it. Here, we defined it here. So why for each rule, like we have this, right? This should be inside the init function, because we are initializing the events for the rules, right? So now we should create Um, Actually, this should be singular. Yeah, I think it should be. That would be more correct, probably. So data here will be. So we have the rule field is a matrix, right? It's kind of like a matrix, but it's just an array, and each rows as a single column. So it's just like it's a matrix, but it's actually a vector. So it's just it's just a vector. Like we can just take it as a vector for now. I mean, so let's create the output string, and we have to handle each case. So we probably need a switch. Like, uh, wait. So for a single rule, yeah, we probably need we probably need a switch. So this is a rule. This is a single rule block, right? Single rule block. We switch data and then block type, right? Then we have case compare break. Then we have case wait, hold on. I think we can just copy and paste this. I think that would be good, right? So we have this switch right here, and then we have I lost it, and then we have this. Yeah, there are a bunch of errors, but don't worry, I know what I'm doing. So we switch data block type, and then we have data, then we have, oh my god, okay, this can be annoying actually. Let me lay down for a little bit and try to think, because I think way better when I lay down in bed. I don't know why, but I feel, yeah. Let me just lay down and concentrate for a couple of minutes and see what will I get with. So I'm gonna try to talk, to speak. So I don't know if you will be able to hear me properly, but let's try this. So what we need to do is, should we create a function that retrieves the ID based from the index, or simply just put document.query selector, right? Yeah, we can just put document.query selector and and just do that, right? Yeah, I think it will be a better choice actually. I'm trying to think right now.
What will be the best choice for in this case? Okay, we can probably use document.query selector in JavaScript to retrieve the fields, right? But then we also have to um, so I don't know. I don't really know. Like we can use, yeah, I think we can just use document.query selector. Then we will use, we'll probably use, hmm, yeah, we should just print that base. We will print the statements based on the block type and the operation type, right? Yeah, we should construct some if else statements, right? This function will probably return uh, a JSON type, and then I will create another function that handles the display, the the display, the messages, the message display, right? I think it would be better if we did this in two separate functions. This also benefits the backend side, like the backend check. Like have the if we return a message error on the from the backend side, we will simply use that function to display the messages. I think that will be a good idea. And yeah, and it helps us to handle things way better, actually, right? So yeah, I will probably use that. So what we need right now is two separate is we need two separate functions. One for the checks and one for the message display. And of course the the output system, like the message display, will also enable or disable the submit form, right? I mean the submit button. Yeah, this is kind of, you know, we have to think about it. Mm. Just trying to think what's the best way to do this. I don't know. I'm trying. Still trying to think. Right? Should we put like a bunch of if else statements? Like I think it's just like that. It's just a bunch of if else statements. Or else we can just do the exact same thing we did on PHP. Like we put we just iterated each rule, and then we just wait. I think that would be a mess. No, no, no. Okay, okay. I think that would be a mess. We should probably, yeah, put the if else statements, because if we do the same thing with the JavaScript, like we, I think it will be a problem for the user. It will be very laggy because when we submit the PHP form, like when we submit the form, like we are not checking each digit. Like we are not. Uh, it's not an event that gets checked. That gets called every on every single digit that it gets input. Right? It's just a confirm event. It's a submit event, right? So on JavaScript, we have to think it on a different way. But when we construct the code on the in the PHP part, it's basically the same thing, right? So we need the data, the rules data, and probably we also need a an index, and I mean we need the fucking what the fuck is called wait we don't need the document query selector. We have to map the fields uh, and put the ID, I mean the index from the ID on the directly on the backend side. It should be pre-rendered. That I think that will increase the user experience. That will be the I mean it will improve the user experience, and it will be more efficient for the user. Not for us, but I think we should do it on this way. So we need a mapping, right? So we have to map the 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 JavaScript conditions and the index with the ID. So everything should be really efficient, right? Meanwhile, the required fields are just are just getting checked like on the on the input. Uh, wait. I'm trying to think what would be the best way to implement this. So probably we should create an event for every required. We should add an event listener for every required field, right? For each required field, only required fields, right? Then we have to wait, no. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know honestly what would be better. I will call each check on the submit button. This is for sure. Hmm. Yeah, we definitely need an event for each field. Like we should create an event for every single field. Like I mean, every single input field. Yeah, I'm still trying to design this. Oh, this isn't easy. This isn't that easy. So we should probably, yeah, I should probably use paint, but I'm laying in bed. Oh my god, yeah. Because I don't even have a chair. I'm sitting on a wooden block. It's so uncomfortable. It's so uncomfy that I I rather be on. I would rather stand up, like stand on my legs. But anyway, yeah, I'm also getting tired right now. But
Okay, let me go back here. So let's bring our notepad. Our notepad, our microphone. Oh my fucking god! This fucking white screen flashed my eyes. But anyway, so what do we need to do? Okay, we have to create a. We probably have to create every an input element for each field, right? So we probably have I don't know. We probably have a different function for them. Like we do document dot for each element. Hold on, let me just draw this properly. So we have the submit event, right? This is the submit event. And what does it do? And what does it do? Like, what does it actually do? Uh, First, we need to check if every field, every required field oh my god oh my god I'm oh my god okay sorry is filled or hidden. So that's what we are going to do first, right? Second, oh wait, hold on. Let me just check something real quick. What we actually do here. So this is the summit, right? Oh, we retrieve the values here. Second, check if uh, if rules check if the are followed. Third step, retrieve the values. And fourth, send. We will just create this. Send to the server, right? This is just and fifth, handle post submit events. So we did this, and we partially did this part. Now what we have to do is we still have to do this. So we have this, and this. So wait, let me just. So we should check if every required field is filled or hidden. Check if the rules are followed. Actually, I don't know if I should switch this to. I probably will, because I think the user-defined rules are more important than some default handled system that it's not even that functional. So I think the rules should be handled first. So we should switch this, right? So let's grab this. We put that here. Wait, no. Let's grab this. Let's put that here. Then we grab this. Let's put that here. Then we grab this. God, this is. Then we grab this and we put that here. Okay, it kind of. Then we remove this part. Then what the hell? Wait, let me just. Where is it? Oh my god. And then we finally put that here. Hold on. Let me just select this properly. Wait. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Oh, I fucking hate when this happens. And here we go. So this is what the submit does, right? And also it should output if you know, our output if error. And to output this, we actually use another function. I will probably call it um, um, probably display out, probably, I don't know, or output. This is another function that will just one set message for each field. Okay, I'm just I'll probably use this color so we don't get confused. Two we will enable or disable the submit button. Wait, I will do this green. That's pretty much it. Like, it doesn't do anything else. But each individual field. So, but for each field, this is the event. So we will call this e dot field. We will just check if wait. If wait. Should we implement everything later? So we just, for now, I think the most important thing is to implement this on the submit button. Then we will just do this. We will implement this later. because if we think twice, the rules should be applied. Like if we edit a field, hmm, oh my god, this is annoying. So okay, for now I will implement the checks on the submit button because I just realized that we cannot create a single function for each rule because if we input something, like if we input a field and the the JavaScript side, the front end check will check every single field. So imagine if you wanna fill a form and then you input something and every field becomes red because you violated every rule. That will happen because it, every check is implemented on each field. So if you have multiple rules applied to multiple fields, and then we use this approach that we check every time, like we check it every field, every rule with just one input. Like imagine it will be annoying, right? That's the issue that came up to my mind. And we need to find a solution for this. So yeah,
we definitely need each we definitely need uh, events single add listeners for each field, and this should be changing dynamically, right? So on each event we should check the rule, and then we should dynamically check if that field was required or not, right? This is a semi-dynamic check because there will be a condition that tells that asks the the that actually queries the data, the required field, and if it is required, it will just check the length. This is the final part of the single of the individual event handler, right? Hmm. But the problem is, like, that's pretty complicated. Yeah, pretty much. Mm. Oh God. Luckily for now, we just implemented this single, single rule for each set. So that is not a big that is not a big deal for now.
Jesus Christ, this is fucking annoying. So yeah, the point is we need to create uh, Jesus fucking Christ. I just said I just for 60% of this stream I just lay on bed thinking. Like it's a little bit more complicated than I thought. So definitely we need this. But first let's implement this. Jesus Christ. So to implement this, wait, no. Let's just implement individual rules. How long am I streaming? I mean, just 1 fucking hour and a half. What the hell? Are you serious? What the fuck is going on? Wait, are we serious? Oh my fucking god. So we need a double iteration. Probably. Jesus Christ. This isn't that good. So, let's just comment everything for now. I'll come back later. Because this is more complicated than I thought. We have many things to handle on the front end part. So, what we are gonna do now? We should create the. For now, we should create this function. Yep. So this is actually this is just the front end side, so we don't actually need to implement any inside backend part. We probably need to touch this part. It's the system, probably. We probably need display output MSG S. So first thing, we need the God damn it. God fucking damn it. I need to think more about this. So we have the ID, the form ID maybe, and then data. Then we have I don't know. I don't know. But do we have like a little box where we can display the message? So we have this part, right? We have this div. So we can we just set the background color to red? We can. We can. We can actually. We fucking can. Oh, don't really know if that's actually a good idea. But we can. We can set this to background color red. We can do this, and then color red. So we have a fucking error. You stupid fucking idiot. You didn't input it correctly. Something like this. Also, let me check how the. Let me check the style. This is the style. Yeah. SSS. I don't even remember what does this stands for, but this is the style. How is this not implemented yet? What do you mean? It's literally right here. Oh, I don't know. So we have the error attributes, right? And we should use this. Like we have normal, hover, active, error, disabled. That's all. That only applies to the submit elements. Crazy. So we have some colors here. Then on the we should have the exact same thing on the label. Yep. We have normal and error. Then we also have the required indicator color, which is cool. When we generate the style, do we also include the error? Jesus, this is. No, we don't. Well, we should also include errors. Jesus, this is fucking wow. We have the label. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is oh my god, this is crazy. So let's try with the label. So let's put this. Probably. Oh god. This is the error, right? Right. And then we will just do this. And the font family will be the same. Actually, we should just change the important part, right? Yeah, I think so. I changed the size and the font on error makes 0 sense. So I will just change this, and then this is the error, right? What the fuck is going on? Oh, go away, stupid fucking background task host process, fucking useless. And the same thing, we should do the same thing here. Oh my god, this is oh my god, this is so fucking holy fuck. So if we go here, oh my god, this is let's go here. Let's remove this. Transformation, probably. What does it mean as? All right, that's the second. So this is the. We should also remove this probably. The padding. Yeah. Goodbye. So we have error, error. Then we have error and then error. Yeah. Probably. Yeah. What the fuck? We should change every single. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we have so we have error. Then we have wait. Oh my god, this isn't the error part. Oh my god, I got confused. How the fuck does that work? Wait, did I just change? Oh my god, this is. What happens? Like. We just change these values, right? We don't actually change the other part. Okay, okay. So if we have an error, we should add the class and append dash error. So, to display the error. So if we go here, let's hard refresh this, and we'll have put this here and then type error. Nothing happens. Why? What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my god. Wait, oh my fucking god. 185. What's the fucking error? No, fuck off. Let's try again. Wait. This is still PHP. Oh my god, this is confusing. Let's try again, probably. Wait, that's the... Yeah, this warning is commented, so we don't really care. So what if we alter this part? So we have this, we have a text area right here, and then we change the class. We'll append this dash error, and look at this. Wow, this is good. And then we just do the same thing here. Wait, it's right here. Then we append dash r, and then we have it. Yup, we fucking have it. Nice. Let's see. Wait, was I just... Wait, I was streaming with the fucking... Hold on. Let me check the live stream, because... I wasn't streaming with the black screen. Where the fuck did I turn that off? How did that happen? What the hell? Luckily, this happened like... Let me just... This happened like 4 minutes ago. How the hell did that happen? Why did the fucking screen go off? What the fuck? You stupid fucking bastard. Like it randomly blacked out. I don't know why. So we are streaming for 1 hour and 50 minutes. We will reach 2 hours. But do we have the definition for the border? Like we need, I think we need that. Yes, we have it. Why isn't that here? It's actually here, but for some reason it didn't apply. Oh wait, hold on. Alright, it's all set to blue. This is weird. This is fucking weird, honestly. Jesus. Wow, this is incredibly, I don't know. This looks super complicated. So we have the label and we have the input. I think this is enough, right? Let's try to do something here. What do we need to do actually? Well, first we have to disable the fucking we have to get the document get element by D, then we get the form ID. Wait, the submit ID is this. Let's put that here and let's replace this with the form ID, right? So actually the form ID is a number. Let's put it, let's cast this as a number, right? And we have it here. Then we get set attribute, probably disabled. If we set this to, hold on, can we just edit this agent? Then we set disabled equals to true. It will be disabled, right? Yeah, it's disabled. But what if we set it to false? It's still disabled. Wait. Is this is this a is this an attribute without any value? Like it's yeah, it's just an attribute without a value. Like you don't have a value. You just have disabled. If you have it, the button is automatically disabled. What the hell is field set? What the hell? Field set HTML. What is this? Oh, right. Okay. It's this tag here. Yeah, yeah. I remember. Yeah, yeah. I know. I know. So we have the select option opt group. What the hell is opt group? Opt group HTML option group element. Oh, right. Oh, that's good. I didn't know that it existed. Like maybe I knew, but I forgot that it existed. That's cool. I should implement this. Okay, so um, now, yeah, we just have to set this. Like, um, probably add, set attribute, and then we set this to disabled, and the value is just an empty string. We just have to check if data is valid, then we will just do this. Wait, no, I mean, else we'll just do this, and we will remove the attribute and check remove attribute. That's the attribute, right? Yeah, for now this is what we actually get. Display output msgs, then we pass this and this, and now let's see. Okay, almost 2 hours. Now we need a div for each field to display the text, right? Like, I don't know if I should put this on the top or at the bottom. Probably at the top. We'll just display a little text right there, and we will just display this field is required, right? We just display this field. Yeah, we should also create an area for that, for the messages. Yep. We definitely need an area, and the area will be get a HTML form would be probably here. To do add message area. Yep. This is what we need right now. So, yeah, we reached 2 hours of this live stream. I will try to think about it, what we can actually add, what we can actually probably optimize and find the best way to implement all of this stuff, because it's not that immediate. We should think twice about it. So for now, I will end the stream and we'll continue tomorrow, probably. Thank you thank you so much for watching the stream, and I will see you in the next time. Good night, everyone.